girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Say baby, glad to meet you. If you were a star, you'd be the one I'm searching for. Other girls, they got attention, but I just always feel like they're in need of something you got. Obvious you're pretty. Heard that you're a student working weekends in the city. Trying to take you out, girl, hope you're not too busy. If there's nothing wrong, got this little song for you to get ready to put those fucking heels on and work it, girl. Let that mirror show you what you're doing. Put that fucking dress on and work it, kinda vicious, like somebody's taking pictures. Shut it down, shut it down. You be the baddest girl around. They notice, would shut it down, shut it down. You be the baddest girl around. They notice, would shut it. These girls ain't got nothing on you. Ain't got nothing on you. Ain't got nothing on you. Good luck. You the greatest. And if he say you ain't, girl, he's out his mind. To the finest. And if he say you ain't, that boy done lost his mind. Every time you come around, shut down like computers. Crazy. Step into my heart and put you in the zone.
Change the weather, and I promise forever. Oh my pay the bills with my love for you. We'd be the richest in the fucking room. We'd be so comfortable till it's only you for me. No lie, I've tried what they offered, they're not who I want them to be. That's not an offer to me. If you're around, baby, when you ain't with me, you feel alone. And I was wondering if you always know it don't have to be perfect. I feel like it's worth it. I know now that I've been the worst, but I love you better. Flight, change the weather, and I promise forever. Oh mine, yeah. Oh mine, oh mine, oh mine, oh mine, oh mine. You know how it feels. You know how it
Leave me out the comments, leave me out the nonsense. Speaking out of context, people need some content. Niggas trying to keep up, shit is not a contest. Whipping best concept, heaven sent, God sent. At least that's what my mom says, proof is in the progress. Money's not an object, busy than a motherfucker. You know how my job get, barking up the wrong tree. You know how the dogs get, haven't fallen off yet. Come with a classic, they come around years later and say it's a sleeper. The ears are rare, the petty is rare. Might try my ex for a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Leticia, Linda Felicia. She gave it me twice, I didn't even know for her once. You know I'm a pleaser. 42 millimeter was made in Geneva. Yeah, I probably should go to Yeshiva. We went to Ibiza. Yeah, I probably should go live with Yeezy. I need me some Jesus. As soon as I started confessing my sins, he wouldn't believe us. Sins, I got sins on my mind and some bills. Got a lot of L's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love. I'm in love with two girls that want too many tens. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. Should repent. I need me some Jesus in my life. Amen.
From the floor, but I love me a bitch. He on my dick and she my secret. Tryna dish me, know about peeping. I can't respond with this boy as you people. If I got some rats on the bed, you can keep it. This shit getting deeper and deeper. I dig in my shit, won't be in. I would go ahead and fix it. A shark in the water, you swim with the love it. I hit the day by tomorrow, she miss it. I grab a neck, she look good, then I kiss it. I'm not a goat, but I fit the description. I like the post, so I get the prescription. We walk around with them bands and I bitch it. This gun ain't gon' chill, and I blow, I ain't missing. I'm dropping hit out the hit, I'm just chillin'. But I send the hill, I chill my children. Bigger the business, the bigger the office. I fuck around and found me a strand, and I thought up, they talking my artists, they making me an office. I don't even bargain, I start from the bottom. I lost a Ferrari, Las Vegas, Nevada. I woke up the following day and went harder. I'm cracking my shit, now they see that I'm smarter. I gotta get money, I love to get charter. I gave her 4 burgers and 1 small startup. I can't let them down, walk around with my Carter. I'm screaming out YOLO, yeah, that's still the motto. I know I be on some shit that they ain't thought of.
Sins, I got sins on my mind and some M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love. I'm in love with 2 girls that want too many tens. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. Sugar.
Let's play a little just between you and I'll be honest, gotta use your mind. We can be constant robbers, Tarzan and Chamberlain and Robert, but either way the objective is the same, to please and entertain.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Domthetastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I am doing a review for Arabella hair, and today I'm reviewing this like golden highlighted unit that I really do like. I really like having these kind of colors like on my skin tone instead of just doing like your typical like jet black or like brown hair. And I love this unit. I love the curl pattern in this unit because this unit was actually ready to go right out of the box. I did not have to pluck this unit. I didn't have to bleach the knots on this unit. I didn't have to do anything as far as customizing goes. I literally showed you guys how I took this unit straight out of the box with you guys, did the unboxing, and put it right on my head, straight from out of the box. So this is the final results. I didn't even like put a bunch of water on it to like change the texture or anything like that. The only part that I put water on was like this middle half here. Then off camera, I did put some concealer in the part just to help it stand out a little bit more because the hair is like this golden color, and I feel like sometimes the parts can get lost in a style like this. And this is a half up, half down. So basically I have like these 2 sides here coming up into this one ponytail. I was gonna do like 3 Bantu knots, but I feel like the knots would have been like a little too big and I didn't really like how it looks. The only thing that I will say that this is a 26-inch unit, but to me, it feels a little bit shorter than that. I don't know if it's just because of how tight the curl pattern is, because to me, it gives more like 24-inch than it does like a 26-inch. But you know they typically go based off of the stretched length of the hair. So I will pull it down in a moment just so you guys can see like where it's hitting on me. But I do wish that, you know, it was a little bit longer. But I think I'm thinking about maybe like a 30-inch or something. But yeah, I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see. So this is where it's hitting on me like without pulling it or anything. And yeah, it's just like my belly button's here. So it goes like down to like my belly button. So I don't know if this is a 26-inch or not. It seems a little bit shorter for a 26-inch. And this is where it hits me on the side. And with this unit, I feel like it is a lot, like it is a lot of hair, you know what I mean? So like having a half up, half down with something like this definitely takes some of like all of the exaggeration from being like smack dab in your face. And I do want to show you guys, this is what it looks like with all of it up front. So it is very, very full, which I still do like about it. I love how full it is, even with having like the whole top half like in a ponytail, like it's still very full. And like I said, this is a highlighted unit, so there's like, it's like from afar it may look like it's just all one color, but there are like highlights and lowlights in this unit. So lowlights would be like a lighter brown type of color, and the highlights would be of course the more blonding, the more blonde looking pieces in the hair. Like right there it's like a really bright blonde, and then like right here is just like more of a golden color. But I really do like this color on me. I think it looks really cute. And I don't know if you can, but I'm sure you probably could after a while, like color this hair or even lighten it up a little bit more. You can add even more highlights to it if you wanted to. But yeah, this is the hair in the front that I have like in a ponytail. This is all of the hair from the top half in a ponytail. If you don't want to have like all of it up front, you don't have to. You can definitely like push it all to the back. So this is how it is, like all to the back. You know, it's still very tamed and pretty. You know what I'm saying? It's giving like, you know, early 2000s, like Beyonce kind of vibes, like the color. If you guys have been on my channel long enough, you guys know that I am always willing to try pretty much anything. And I feel like I can make most things work for my skin tone. I usually can make like literally any color like work for me. And I feel like this looks really good on us deeper chocolate tones, especially if you don't want to go for like a really bright blonde or like something like really extra like that. This is still something that is even office appropriate or work appropriate wherever you work at. If you can't like wear like really like, if you can't wear like red hair or, you know, pink and purple hair, you know what I'm saying? This is something you can definitely get away with. And I would actually wear this in the summertime. I feel like this is a good, like, I don't know, it kind of gives sun-kissed kind of vibes. And the other thing that I really enjoyed about this unit, like I told you guys, everything was done for you straight out of the box. It did come pre-plucked, but they plucked this unit like so good. So I didn't go like too crazy with the baby hairs. I only did like these one little swoops here and here just because I knew I was gonna do the ponytails here. But as you guys can see in this middle section here, I didn't do any baby hairs and it still looks very natural. So I really do like that about it. And then even down here, like I don't have like any swoops for the baby hair down here. Like it's just, it looks very natural. So I like how they pre-plucked it. It's not super thick looking and they just make everything so easy for you these days. So if you don't know how to do your hair, like they just do it for you. You know, even if you didn't want to do the baby hair at all, if you didn't even want to do this style, you can put your hair in the middle part or a side part or do like a flip over or something, and it will look good just like that. You don't have to do a lot with a unit like this. And like I said, I didn't even wet this unit. This is just the natural curls that came in it, like straight out of the box. You know, if you wash it and all of that, it's definitely gonna like change the curls a little bit more, but I just wanted to show you guys naturally what this unit is looking like out of the box in case you wanted to style it like straight out of the box. Say you were like on your way somewhere, you needed a unit that's like quick and easy to put on. This would definitely be the unit for you. The only thing that you would have to do is just, you know, adhere the lace, but other than that, you're pretty much good to go. Now this is considered a glueless unit because it does have the adjustable elastic band in the inside. However, for me, because I have a smaller head, so it's like for me, a lot of units do tend to fit a little bit looser on me. But I would say for this to be a glueless unit, I really do like the fit of it. It fits nice and snug. I don't feel like my unit is gonna shift or fall off or anything like that. So I like that about it. But I will say that I do wish that the companies, this unit has like a comb in the very back, but I do wish that the company still kept the adjustable straps that's like in the bottom part and keep the elastic band as well, rather than just like picking one or the other, because I feel like you still need that tightness in the back. And you know, yes, you can hook the comb in, but sometimes the comb can get uncomfortable. Sometimes the comb like comes undone. So me personally, I do wish that I did have that feature, but other than that, I really do like the construction of this unit. Obviously, you know, the frontal part of this unit does give you enough space, and this is a 13x4 frontal, okay? So you definitely get a decent amount of space. I was still able to put this part in a ponytail and have enough hair to like cover up the tracks too, so we don't just have like tracks showing right here, because sometimes they have like these lace front units and then it's just like mostly the center part that has a lace, and then on the very side it's like maybe an inch of parting space. So I really do like the parting space on this particular unit because you know, you get exactly what you need. So yeah, I'm not gonna talk you guys' ears off too much with this one. So shout out to Arabella here for sending over this unit. Shout out to all of you guys for watching today's tutorial. If you did like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Drop a comment down below, let me know your thoughts, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.